Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate our prototype for our LaZBaby product. Our product is a whole new car seat that features a head strap that's designed to bring your child's head from a downward position to an upward position as they're asleep in the car. This is a lot safer than modern day car seats just because you can have a lot of breathing problems if your head is in a weird position. This is a doll that we're using for our prototype, but in an ideal situation, the child would be asleep and their neck would be in a downward position. However, for the demonstration, we can't bend the doll to that position. So this is the forehead strap, and we're going to demonstrate how it works. So that part of the strap lowers to the baby's head position. And then this side will gently cradle to the head and then pull it backwards.
So this is the back of the car seat. This is where everything works. So this side moves the head strap downwards, and then this side tightens it. So how this side works is there's a linkage arm with a weight in the front or on the bottom. And then this motor right here, when triggered by this switch, will rotate, pull some fishing line, which actuates this gear and pushes the head strap downwards slowly to the right position. And on this side, there is a motor attached to a cam and a linkage arm and a bearing. So then when this side turns, it pushes or pulls the strap backwards, and then gently pushes the baby's head backwards. And then you could also push it forward. And then this side, if you flip the switch the other way, it'll come backwards.